Boom, boom, boom. Let's start with the top. It's as white as I could see your complexion without it being fake white. So, let's see what we do. Put that in, and then we're going to work with that for a minute. Remember, it takes a few minutes to get used to. Let me see what we got. You're gonna be shocked.
One of us can see it.
You can see it. What I'm trying to decide is whether I want you to see the bottom teeth or not.
Okay.
Smile as big as you can for me. Trying to see if there's any way I can improve it. You look absolutely amazing. Let's try your bottoms with it. I think you're gonna want to see it for the first time with both.
Okay.
How long have you felt like your smile was holding you back?
10, 15 years.
15 years.
At least.
I'm gonna adjust down. Let's see what we got.
It's unreal.
Unreal. Can you do me one favor? Pull your top teeth out and just compare it to your teeth now. And now let's put the top ones in. Amazing. The before and afters never lie. I'm looking at you and I'm seeing who I started with. And look at that. Just look at that.
Yeah. Wow.
It's going to take
a while to sink in. And
every man going down the road should make the decision that I'm not going to put my smile last, because me being first puts my family first.
That's right.
Smiles, real smiles, big smiles, make people say yes to you more. Even if it's man to man, when it's serious and you can be funny and you can laugh and be yourself, everybody sees it. All I care about is that every smile I design gives them the potential to be everything they would have been without me. My job's to make you look good.
You've done that.